Do you want to use Gemini as your primary assistant on your phone, but want to handle basic tasks like calling or messaging even without unlocking your screen? Today, I will show you how to enable or disable the Make Calls and Send Messages without unlocking feature on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First, open the Gemini app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Then tap on Settings. Now, scroll down until you find Gemini on lock screen. Tap this option, and you will see the toggle for Make Calls and Send Messages without unlocking. Simply tap the switch to enable or disable this feature. Once enabled, this allows you to handle basic tasks like calling or messaging directly from your lock screen, without the need to enter your PIN or use biometrics every time. This feature is incredibly convenient when you are on the go, though keep in mind this does lower your security slightly, as these actions will not require your biometric authentication. If you ever want to change this for extra privacy, you can simply go back to the settings and toggle this switch off. And that is how to enable or disable making calls and sending messages without unlocking your screen on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Do you find it more convenient to have these quick access tools ready at a glance? Or do you prefer the extra security of always unlocking your phone? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.